Hi guys, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to do short live, where I do want to answer some of your questions that you might have around the diversity visa lottery. Because I just posted yesterday the video where I was explaining that you can register and how you register for diversity visa lottery, because the registration period will open up next week. Okay. And so next week, meaning October 3rd, noon EST time zone, and we'll close down November 6th EST noon. So make sure to do that. And I also do want to invite you, for people who need help with submitting the entry. I'm hosting a masterclass next week, so you can register for the masterclass. So ask me any questions, guys, because I know that some of you are a little bit confused if you can still apply for the diversity visa lottery. Is the green card lottery on? And why is it called 2020 if I'm applying now, October 2018? Stuff like that. So whatever questions you guys have, feel free to ask. That's why I'm doing this live. And like I said, if you need any help with submitting the entry, you can definitely sign up for live masterclass. It's going to be a live class, probably hour, 2 hour, maybe 3 hours long. And I'm also going to cover what to do if you are not selected, what are your options, and how you will be able to check if you are selected. And the link I already shared. So you can find the link up there, and if you are watching me on YouTube, it's going to be below this video. So hi everyone, let me know who is there. I'm good. I'm good, guys. So what's the process for it? You have to submit the entry, okay? You have to actually play, in other words. If you want to be part of the green card lottery, you have to play and you have to submit the entry. That's the process. And then once you are selected, you will find out next year. Then you have to submit and prepare the entire application and go through the application period. Hi, Mustafa. Hi, guys. And by the way, guys, this might be actually the last time when you can apply for a green card, diversity green card. So I would suggest that you definitely take advantage of it, because it might not be the case next year. And like I said, the registration will open up next year. Not next year, I'm sorry, next week. It's opening up next week. And first things, you need to check if you are from eligible country, right? And if you establish that you are from eligible country, then you can apply. There are certain countries that are not eligible. And the reason is because in previous 5 years, more than 50,000 nationals from these countries immigrated to the United States. For example, India is not eligible, Pakistan is not eligible, Bangladesh is not eligible, Philippines not eligible, South Korea not eligible, etc. I did a video yesterday where I was explaining countries that are not eligible. And again, you can check the official source, the link, it would be dvlottery.state.gov. Egypt is eligible as far as I know, because someone is from Egypt. Elham, you're from Egypt. Okay. So you have to check if you are from the eligible country. Second thing you have to do is you have to make sure you meet the educational requirement. The educational requirement is you have to have a minimum of high school diploma or equivalent. So if you check, if you have, obviously you know that already, you don't have to check it. But I'm saying you have to have high school diploma. If you don't have high school diploma, you need to have equivalent. Make sense? Okay. So like I said, I'm going to share, I already shared the link. You can register for the masterclass, where I'm going to actually guide you step by step, and we will actually submit the entry together if you are interested for that. I'm doing that class based on the survey that I recently done, and you guys showed interest. So it looks like you guys need help with diversity visa lottery. So that's why I'm doing that. And yes, you have to check if your country is eligible. The best if you go to the official link DV visa, dvlottery.state.gov. That would be the best. Okay. So guys, I hope you're doing well. This was just a short video that I do want to invite you to take advantage of that, especially if you want to immigrate to the United States, because you never know, right? And you never know if this is going to be still open and available next year. And of course, like, I'm going to also cover Plan B. What if you are not selected in the upcoming masterclass next week? Let's see some of your comments. You see some numbers. I would suggest if you have any comments, you can leave them below this video. I'll try to explain it, especially if you are watching replay later on. But don't send me your numbers because I'm not going to call you. If you need help with the lottery, if you need guidance with the lottery, that's why I'm hosting the masterclass, guys. That's the purpose of the masterclass next week. And I already shared the link, so you can certainly register. Okay? There are many people who still ask for help, but please don't send me your numbers. I'm not going to call you. And I hope you can understand that. I'm busy, so I'm doing live streams so people can actually get the most out of it. People can get the information. But then if you need guidance, additional guidance from me, you need to join the live masterclass. Hello, I don't have luck with the lottery. Is there other way to immigrate to the United States? Of course, there is always a way. And if you check my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ImmigrationBiz, I have almost 400 videos where I actually teach the other way. So I suggest you watch those videos because there is always Plan B, C, D, E. You know what I mean? If you are not selected. Of course, diversity visa lottery is not the only way. I'm just saying, because you never know, right? It's not going to cost you anything to play, right? But obviously, if you are not selected, don't be upset and you just have to keep looking for other way. I personally focus on business immigration and entrepreneurship. So I'm helping mostly business owners and entrepreneurs moving to the United States through business and entrepreneurship, okay? So if that's something that you are looking for, I can help for sure. I would suggest, Faisal, that you look for other videos, especially E2 and L visas. Check out the YouTube channel and you will be able to get more information, okay? Let me just type the YouTube channel so you guys have it, okay? Here we go. Let me just type it for you. Here we go. It's youtube.com/ImmigrationBiz. Right. Here we go. You got it. And again, like, with the money, can we buy American Dream? Okay, Faisal, you are asking about EB5 green card program. The EB5 green card program basically requires you to invest minimum $500,000 or $1 million. If you are investing $500,000, it's either going to be into targeted employment areas or areas with high unemployment rate or regional center projects. Make sure to be very careful if you are investing into regional center project. Make sure the project is good and solid. Otherwise, you will invest and you're not going to get any return on investment, and in some cases not even a green card. Or you can invest $1 million into your own business, right? If you don't have these funds, you can invest less, and I typically work with investors or entrepreneurs who invest around 100K, give or take, and in that case you can get E2 visa, which is investor visas for smaller entrepreneurs, investors, small investments under 500K obviously, and then you can later grow the business. Obviously that will be the goal anyway, grow the business and later apply for a green card that way. So it's not direct, it's somehow indirect, but you'll get there eventually. definitely check, Faisal, check the E2 visa, okay? How much is the cost of immigration? Very good question. It depends, guys, okay? It's not gonna cost you anything to play the diversity visa lottery, okay? As far as I know, there are no costs unless you are selected, and if you are selected, then you have to pay, I don't remember the filing fees, but it's basically under $1,000. It will be under $1,000 if you do everything on your own. If you want to work with a lawyer, obviously you will have to pay some legal fees, because just because you are selected in diversity visa lottery doesn't necessarily mean that you will be approved, because then you have to actually apply. You have to apply for the green card. If you are selected in diversity visa program, you have to apply, and then you need to be approved, okay? Yes, next week is registration will open up next week. I'm good, guys. Thank you so much for asking. Happy Friday, by the way. Kadm. Next week, the lottery will open up. The registration will open up next week, October 3rd, guys. Noon Eastern Standard Time zone. And we'll close down November 6th, noon EST zone. So definitely, I highly recommend to apply, and you never know, maybe you will be selected, okay? So I think that I pretty much covered your questions. If you are watching replay, you can always leave a comment below. You can always ask me the question. I will try to reply. And if you are kind of confused, or you don't know how to apply and how to submit the entry for the green card lottery, I'm hosting live masterclass next week, guys. The link I already shared is about this video, and if you are watching me on YouTube, it's going to be below this video. And again, the live masterclass, I'm going to give you option to ask any questions you have, and I'm going to stay until we are done. And what I want to do with the live masterclass is actually whoever is joining, we are going to apply for the diversity visa lottery together at the same time. So I'm going to guide you, I'm going to show you my screen, and you will be able to submit your entry with me. That way you are going to be guided, and you will know exactly what to do, what not to do, how to submit this entry, because if you submit the entry in the wrong way, you might be disqualified, okay? So for that matter, I would say prepare the picture, 600 times 600 pixels, white background, no glasses, no head, no scarf, no shadows on your face. Prepare the picture, have it ready. If you are joining my live masterclass next week, make sure to have the picture and have the information like date of birth of your spouse and yourself, your kids, and we're going to apply together, okay? So the link I already shared is above or below this video. I live in United States, but originally I'm from Slovakia, Lamin. If you need to contact my office, you can always go to www.immigrationbiz.com, Faisal. And Harun, if you need help with diversity visa lottery, again, you need to join the live masterclass next week. So I'm actually going to step-by-step show you how you are able to apply, and we will literally apply together. Okay, give us more information. Yes, actually all you need, I'm covering in the live masterclass. Like I said, it's gonna be 2 hours. We're gonna do everything together. I'm gonna take you from the very beginning till the end, and I'm also going to teach you what you can do if you are not selected. It's a masterclass, 2-3 hours with me. So if you want to register for the masterclass, the link is already above or below. If you want to get a visa to the United States, again, I would suggest, Lamin, that you check out my YouTube channel, because I have almost 400 videos, and I talk about how you can get a visa. So go to youtube.com/immigrationbiz, Lamin. Okay? I hope it makes sense. Let's see, what are the other comments? And by the way, guys, if you do like this video, like it and share it, please. Share it with information. Share it with information. I'm tired, it's Friday, sorry. Share it with people who need this information. Also, if you send me a message to Messenger, guys, I'm not replying because we have over 800 messages there. It's just too many messages. I typically reply if you send me email, office@immigrationbiz.com, but still we are receiving so many emails. So the best way, if you want to work with me, is to either join the live masterclass or ask your question during this live, and I try to answer it. Otherwise, you can book a consultation, which is paid consultation. I don't speak French, I'm sorry, guys. What about the green card? The green card lottery is happening next week. So you can register if you need help with submitting the entry and registration, Ala. You should join the live masterclass, and it's about this video or below. How to register? Rabia. Again, join the masterclass. Rabia. The link is above or below. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to share my screen with you. It's going to be a masterclass webinar. You're going to see my screen, and we are going to submit the entry together. And then if you, for whatever reason, you still want to play the class, I'm going to give you access that it's going to be, you're going to have access to replay. So it's going to be private access to replay. So if you miss the class for whatever reason, you will be able to access replay and you can play it again and again. If you, for whatever reason, don't know how to submit, and I'm going to guide you exactly what you need to do with every single line, because if you are familiar with Green Card Lottery, you have to be very careful how you submit. And I encourage people to submit on their own. You don't need to hire people to submit for you. I want visa to the US. Please tell me, visa, how can I take it? Daniel, definitely visit my YouTube channel, youtube.com/immigrationbiz. There are many, many videos how you can get the visa in general. Jungle Live Masterclass, what do you mean? What's the last Jungle Live Masterclass? Sorry, I don't understand. You live in the United States. I don't know, guys. Some of your comments I don't understand. Yes, I'm doing US immigration. I don't do Canadian immigration. The masterclass, I'm going to show you my screen, meaning my PC screen, so you are actually able to see what I'm doing and how I'm submitting the entry. Does it make sense? Okay. I think whoever is new here and don't know how to apply for diversity visa lottery, the masterclass link is above, where I'm going to teach you how to do it exactly. Whoever here is looking for a visa, you can visit my YouTube channel, youtube.com/immigrationbiz, and check out other videos on how you can actually get the visa, okay? Whoever here needs consultation, you can book a paid consultation with me, and you can speak to me. That's all I can do, guys, for now. And I think I covered pretty much all the questions you guys asked me. And I watch your videos, VJ. Okay, awesome, VJ. Sorry, I don't call anybody, guys. If you need to talk to me, you have to book paid consultation. I don't call to people. I'm pretty busy. I think I covered everything. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. For those who are interested, I'll see you next week in the live masterclass. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next live. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, like it and share it with people who need this information. You're so welcome, Sammy. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.